on a mission, I'm flyer. Rocket that target acquired. Nigga, you press me, you liar. Watch on TV right fire. Running rubber off the tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205 with Nikolai and Nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had to up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it. Okay. Mission flyer.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida. And it's finally sunshine. It's been raining for like a week straight. Go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. So what I want to tell you guys, I got pretty much everything that I need for my conversion to make my car full drag race spec. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So of course you guys know I broke the rear end, the diff, and the axles. So here go. I've been collecting all the parts. So I got parts up there, parts down here, got parts everywhere. Shout out Modern Day Muscle for the shirt. So yeah, I got parts everywhere. So hopefully this week is gonna be the 4th of July week, and I think I may have a 4-day weekend from work. So I think most of the time I'm gonna be working on that, me and my boy Ronnie Guns. So as for right now, this is the parts stash. I got all the parts that I needed for the car. So let me give you guys a quick rundown of what's going on underneath the car. As you can see, put my little creeper down on the ground so I can give you guys a bird's eye view of what's going on. All right, so as of right now, I have the whole subframe, everything out of the car. I still had to put this back on because it was still dripping fuel, and my AC unit is in the garage. So when the AC came on, the whole entire house smelled like gasoline. So all the subframe is out. What I am gonna do is, I'm a little OCD like that, I am gonna clean up all of that stuff up here. That's grease from when the axle broke, so slung grease up there. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up underneath the car a little bit. Won't need these anymore. The brake line's out the way. So pretty much this is what it looks like with your whole rear end out of your Challenger. So here's the subframe with the old diff. Part of the axle is still in there. I'm gonna see if I could drill it out. Everything looks pretty good in here. There's that. I got that all taken off. So all this stuff is going ahead and get replaced. There's the replacement diff. So on the manual it's a 370 gear. So I'm taking all this apart, stripping the stuff off, and of course I have all new things to put on there. I got all of these are all gonna be brand new for my drag pack, drag setup. Changing the brakes that I have as well to this setup right here. So I'm going with a Willwood setup for the drag pack suspension. Also, those are the regular factory Hellcat calipers in the rear. It's pretty big. Also, once I get the back end taken care of, I'm going to also do the front, go to smaller brake setup, changing the wheels, changing the car. Those are the old wheels, those are 17s. I'm gonna go ahead and go down to 15. Still gonna have the nitrous Fuel pump, dual in-tank fuel pump to run my ethanol 1R, all new suspension bushings, some different type of electronics stuff that I'm gonna be doing. You'll see how that goes when I get to it, but it's just a quick update video to let you guys know I'm still on it. I was just waiting on the parts. Last piece supposed to be here next week, and then also got a brand new subframe to start from scratch. Then I only have to worry about drilling out these to go with the solid bushings, because the new one from the factory don't come with the bushings in there, so that just make my job that much easier. So we'll get that all taken care of here soon. I think once I get the car done to where I want to with this stage is going to be all suspension, wheels, brakes, and then the next part is going to be new interior, change up the interior of this to also to go with a full cage. And then after that part is done, I'm gonna go and do a whole complete engine build, or a separate engine done all together. So doing it in stages. I'm gonna compete in the meantime while I'm doing other stuff, cause hey, what's the fun if you can't compete? And then hopefully I won't have to replace anything in the rear cradle again, because everything's gonna be, I wouldn't say bulletproof, but almost bulletproof. So it's gonna be completely set up. And then I think when I'm finished with this, still waiting for parts on the GTO. They're back ordered from Sonax for the transmission build. So it's gonna be the GTO build. Look, there's a dinosaur. You guys see the dinosaur? Hopefully it don't bite me. Look at that. Living in Florida. Then, in between this and this, we're gonna do something. So, wheels, not necessarily a lift. Was looking at the amp power bar for these, and then some aesthetic stuff for this. And then with Anameus, I think I've come to the decision of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a 6-inch lift, 24s on 37s. And I'm gonna be wearing some Prince shoes with the extra heel, so I don't have a problem going in or out of it. But yeah, so that's just a quick update of what I have going on with the car, the Jeep, the car, the truck, and then my son's car, the Honda. All he wants is some music. He wants some beats in the trunk to beat down the block. So there you guys have it, just a quick update of what's going on the channel with the cars, what I plan on doing. So the next set of videos that's going to be coming out is going to be me working on the suspension, on the rear subframe and everything of this. And then after that is getting the wrap done. It's already, the design process have already started. I'm not going to show you guys yet. And I came up with a new name other than calling it a drag pack. Since people are being big crybabies, you can't call it a drag pack, it's not a drag pack. I was gonna say something, but yeah, I have another name. I have a bunch of changes. I already have a basic design done, you know, thanks to my peoples at Metro Raps in Miami. So after that, after I okay it, then I'll take it down and we'll peel this wrap off and go to the next one. I may show you guys what design I'm working with, but as of right now, it's nothing concrete. It's due to a lot of changes that's gonna happen, so I'm not gonna go over any of that as yet. And there it is, quick update. Next bunch of videos will be on the car and on some other miscellaneous videos that I got going, along with Tool Time Thursday. But thanks for watching the guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys. And until the next video, I'm out. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women, buddy.